Hey guys, I'm Matt Durbin with Next Home PPM Realty. We're here in the Breckenridge subdivision in McCandless, and I want to show you 223 Edelweiss Drive in Wexford. Come on in, let's take a tour. If you're looking for luxury real estate, you won't find this kind of square footage in a new construction home. We've got over 5,400 square feet of living space just on the main two levels. 5 bedroom, 4.5 bath, plus finished basement which walks out to our in-ground swimming pool and covered patio. Okay, thanks for checking out the first floor. Now it's time to take a look at the second floor. Come on up. Okay, this second story features 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, in addition to overlooking the 2-story entryway. Welcome to the master bedroom. Vaulted ceilings, as you can see, the size is enormous. We have 2 walk-in closets on your right and left, and an enormous master bathroom. Soaking tub, walk-in shower, and a ton of cabinet space. Welcome to the finished basement, which allows a lot more square footage. We have an additional bar in the basement, gas fireplace, full bathroom, plenty of storage. Let's not forget, we can walk out to our in-ground swimming pool. Okay, we're standing here on this gorgeous covered patio overlooking our in-ground pool area. And let's not forget, we have North Park in our backyard. Thanks again for taking a tour with us today. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private showing, simply give us a call at the number or click the link below.